spine. Bringing those hands to rest back behind you again, fingertips pointing forward or out to the sides. Bend both knees, planting both feet about sit distance apart, ready for reverse tabletop. So finding the position with your hands that allows your shoulders to be in a good place, that allows your neck to lengthen. Feeling all four corners of both feet press into the ground. Breathing in as you exhale, lift those hips up. You can keep your chin to your chest. Inhale, lower the hips down. Or if your head and neck are fine, maybe your head comes back in line with your spine. I'm not doing that one today. Exhale, zipping the belly. Inhale, lowering the hips. Exhale, squeeze the glutes, lift. Keep those shoulders solid as you lower down. Yes, you could always just do bridge here, that's fine. If for some reason reverse tabletop isn't your jam today, bridge is great. Inhale, lower, and exhale, lift. Good, last time. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift. Lowering down, come into easy cross leg position, if that's easy for you. Sitting tall, beautiful. So we did some warm up to open up shoulders, to open up chest and our hips and the chest. And the moves that we're doing, things like reverse tabletop we just did, really take advantage of that openness, of the greater, more pliability through our shoulders and hips. So now that we're here, easy spine twist. That could look like hands across the chest if your arms are tired. It could be hands on the shoulders if that feels okay for you, or go for the full with the arms extended. Breathing, sitting tall, exhale, twisting to your right, looking right, bringing in. Inhale, coming through center. Exhale to the left, looking and twisting. Inhale back to center. Beautiful. Exhale, twisting. And inhale, center. Exhale, twisting. And inhale, center. Good. One more each way. Exhale, twist. And inhale, center. And last one, exhale, twist. And inhale, center, releasing those arms down. Beautiful. We're going to come on to all fours. Hands underneath the shoulders. Knees in line with the hips. Finding 4-point neutral spine. Coming into hover. So you're going to need those toes curled under. Connecting your core as you exhale, hover those knees off, find that hover position, hold there and breathe. Remembering you could always be on your forearm, you could always be on your fists if being on your palms doesn't feel good for you. Holding that 4-point hover, breathe one more breath there. Beautiful. And then go ahead and release the knees down. Keep the toes curled, just shift those hips back and forth a couple times, forward and back. Forward and back. Including mobility for the toes, for the ankles, as well as for the shoulders and hips. And then relaxing the tops of the feet down for just a moment. Hold there, breathe in. Extend your right leg out to the back, toes curled under. Wiggle your left hand in a little bit, not quite center of the body, but a little more centered. And we're going to attempt to open up to your right. So we're going to turn the knees and toes to the right arm's going to lift, and we're going to open up to the right. A little supported side plank.